Hey guys, Claudia from Claudia's Cucina here today. I'm so excited to show you guys our new Pampered Chef meal starter sets. And tonight we're gonna try the ginger sesame beef one, okay? So it's a new thing that Pampered Chef just launched since August 1st, and it's 3 meal starter sets. So you get your ginger sesame, you get your beef bourguignon, and you get your bolognese. And you get all 3 of these for $35. So you save 10 bucks on the set, or you can buy them $15 a pop. But hey, who doesn't love a bundle and saving 10 bucks? So basically it's a sign for those of you guys that are like, what the heck is for dinner tonight? What am I gonna feed these kids? Or what can my husband quickly throw in my pressure cooker, right? So this is what these are for. So we're gonna test the ginger sesame beef. So we're gonna use our quick cooker, but you can utilize your pressure cooker, whichever pressure cooker you have at home. And the first thing you wanna do is just set it to sear. All right, so it's got all kinds of different settings. So we're gonna go to sear. Oops, there you go. And we're just gonna add a little bit of olive oil, canola oil, whatever you want, okay? And here I have 1 to 1.5 pounds of beef chuck roast. And you just kind of wanna slice it thinly and then just throw it in your quick cooker. So this heats up pretty good, fast. So we're just gonna dump this in here, and just for like a minute or so, you just kind of wanna dump it in here and just sear it, all right? And what you can also do is, if you don't have a pressure cooker, you could probably just put it on slow on a big stock pot on your stovetop, or you could almost make like a roast out of it in your oven. But what's really cool is this is gonna save you time and money. So it's cheaper than like going through the drive-thru at McDonald's, right? And just as fast and better for your family. Because just think about going out to eat and eating like an Asian broccoli stir fry out times 4. You can definitely save some money. All right, so we're gonna sear this up. Let's see, it might take a little bit, and then you're just gonna dump this sauce right on top. All right, so it's the whole jar. It smells really good. It smells like a sweet ginger Asian sauce. You can definitely smell the ginger. It's got some chunks in it and everything, so it's really good. And then the other thing that you can do too, so you could just do this, but if you want to cook your rice right in it, all you do is just 1.5 cups of rice, all right, in our ceramic pot. And then you need 1.5 cups of water. So I could just dump this plain water in here, but what I'm gonna do to just kind of infuse the flavor of the rice, oops, well, I guess it's the whole jar, is just add it right in here, shake it up a little bit, so you can infuse your rice with those flavors right away. So you're really not wasting anything, okay? So you just kind of mix this up, easy peasy. So your rice, your beef is all gonna cook at the same time. It's gonna cook for 10 minutes till it comes up to pressure, and then you're gonna manually release the steam for another 10 minutes. So like 20 minutes, dinner's done. You can put some broccoli in the microwave steamer that we have, and dinner is done, right? All right, so let's give this another quick stir. All right, and then you wanna utilize your stand, so the rice, the ceramic pot, is gonna sit right on top of this, okay? So everything's in here, beef, rice, dinner's done, right? And then we're just gonna turn this on, and we're gonna put it on custom. Yep, let me cancel the searing. All right, we're gonna put it on custom, and we're gonna put it on time for 10 minutes. That's it, guys, 10 minutes. All right, you wanna hit start, and now this is gonna come up to pressure. Everything's ready to go, 10 minutes. Then we're gonna just let it manually release for 10 minutes, release the rest of the pressure, and dinner's done. And I'll show you the final results. All right, it's been 20 minutes and dinner is done. So our rice is perfectly cooked. So you can see it sucked up all the moisture, and you can actually see a little bit of the brown pieces because we used the water to rinse out that can that we had. So we're just gonna put some rice in here, right? This is all done, super, super hot. It's really juicy. So look at that. Right? Maybe put some broccoli on it, and you got amazing ginger sesame beef. All done.